So hey guys, I'm back and we're going to be doing the product test of the drill brushes that I got not long ago. I've been super busy, so I haven't really had a chance to get to this, but now we're going to get to it and get it done. We're going to clean the screen door and see how it works. I think they're going to work out pretty great. Let's see if that's on the Milwaukee. There's one. Nope, no, he didn't go to school. So, I'm using HBS all-purpose cleaner. How good it cleans this door, guys. That is awesome. Definitely a lot cleaner. Back when I changed out the drill and battery to just the drill so I can go slower instead of a lot faster. And look at how well it's already cleaned. Man, I can only imagine what it's going to do to the rest of it. It's awesome. Already got the drill. The slower you go, the less splatter there is. So I would take it slow until you get all the dirt off. And then you can start to go faster if you got any tougher spots to get off. Cleaning the door, dude. To test out these new drill brushes I was sent. They're actually really good, dude. Right? It's crazy. I didn't think they were gonna work as good as they are working, but you know, they're actually awesome. So. That was my nephew, guys. He's going to baseball practice. glass too here real quick. Why not? Let's get glass sprayed down and let's clean the glass. Oh my goodness. I love them. Them are so good. Awesome. I am definitely pleased with them. So, yeah guys, let me know what you think. They're the drill brushes from Drill Brush Power Scrubber Useful Products. Products are great. They are actually very, very awesome. You can get all these different kinds of soft white, upholstery, glass, leather. Exactly what I'm using, the whiteboard glass, and not really leather, but you know, it's a door, so you know. We got the other two that we can use as well, but they work amazing.